All right, guys, it's time to get busy. You seen that title, you seen that thumbnail, and I'm about to show you guys how to make this quick and easy ground beef and cabbage dish. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our cabbage, we have our ground beef, beef broth, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, onions, chicken bouillon, garlic cloves chopped, diced tomatoes, cumin, smoked paprika and black pepper here, red chili flakes, and some soy sauce. That's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil over a medium heat. We're gonna add our onions. We're gonna saute these for about 3 to 4 minutes until these onions become soft. All right, after about 3 minutes, you wanna go in with your garlic, and we're gonna get this moved around here for another 30 seconds. Always be careful not to burn your garlic. After that 30 seconds, we're gonna go in with our ground beef. And we're gonna cook this, breaking it up as we go along for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's brown and cooked all the way through. All right, so it looks like we're good. Our ground beef is brown. Now, if you have any excess grease, you may want to drain it. Mine is pretty good, so I'm not going to drain it. I don't have a whole lot of grease in mine. That's nothing but flavor there, so I'm not going to drain it. Plus, the beef I use doesn't have a lot of fat in it. So now we're going to go in with our bouillon cube, crushed bouillon cube, our cumin, smoked paprika, and black pepper, and our diced tomatoes. And we're gonna get this mixed around here. All right, so once we have that mixed in well, we're gonna go in with our cabbage. Pour in our beef broth. And we're gonna get this mixed around as much as we can. So all we're gonna do now, we're gonna drop this down to a simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, cover it up, and let that cabbage cook. All right, guys, after about 10 minutes, we're gonna remove our top. And you wanna give this a quick stir, but you wanna make sure that the cabbage meets your desired texture. I like mine with a little bit of crunch and not too leafy. Some people like theirs really leafy, and some like it with a lot of crunch. I don't. So you want to make sure you do a test just to see if it's to your liking. For me, this is perfect. We're gonna turn our heat off. And if you're gonna use some soy sauce, this is the time to throw in your soy sauce, your apple cider vinegar, and your red chili flakes if you're using them. These is optional. And we're just gonna do another mix. And guys, keep in mind, you're still gonna have some liquid at the bottom, so it's not gonna absorb it all. And as you know, cabbage makes its own water too, so it's gonna have that beef broth and that cabbage. So that's what we have, guys. We're gonna head over to our cutting board for the final presentation. And there you have it, guys. Cabbage and ground beef. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we do a quick taste test. All right, so it's quality control time. We're gonna bring our groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at those groceries. I'm gonna do my best, guys. I just had a root canal procedure, so I ain't gonna be able to like chomp down on like I want to, but I'm gonna try to sneak in this quality control. I gotta do it on this side. Oh man. It still qualifies for an old man. Oh man. And listen, this is another one you need to try. Matter of fact, it take more time prepping it than it is cooking it. This thing is quick and easy. It's definitely delicious. So until then, guys, you already know who this is. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. I'm gonna hurt my mouth.